When I'm laying out quite a few quilt blocks, I like to stack them so that then I can pin them. So this block is a pinwheel. So I'm going to start in the center. We'll get turned a half turn from the way the other. So you face it the same and then a half turn. Okay, so there's a pinwheel. And then what I'm going to do is take these blocks and match them up to their appropriate colors. And as you can see, you just really need to think about each block to make sure you get it going the right direction. So that's what I'm doing, is putting everything in order. Now, there are 12 of these, so that's what I'm going to do, is get them stacked so they match. And I just take, now that I've got the layout done, I can just go on top of each one. Okay, so now I have my stacks of blocks laid out. So what I'm going to do is do my seams. So the first seam I'm going to be making is this one. So I flip this block over like this and like this. Then I'm going to pick these up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Making sure I only get 2, 7, and 8. So there are going to be 8 seams this first time around. And I am sewing down this side because that's where I flipped. So what I'm going to do, this is one whole block put together. I'm just going to put a pin there so I know to sew down that side. And then I'm going to do the same thing 12 more times. All my stacks ready to go. The pin is on the seam side and I am ready to sew.